Okay, nahulong akong camera. Naglag, so let's continue. So where are we? As I mentioned earlier, kung example na kay central carbon chain, the hydrogen atoms connected to the carbon will be reduced to 2 only instead of 3 or 4 because the 2 bonds is already connected to the carbon chain. So if you have 4 carbon chains, which is butane, so butane has this kind of structural formula. So the end carbon chains have 3 hydrogen atoms connected to the carbons, and then the central carbon chains have only 2 hydrogen atoms connected to each carbons. Okay, and this is for the pentane, 5 carbon chains, hexane, 6 carbon chains, 7 heptane, which is a 7 carbon chains, octane, 8 carbon chains, nonane, 9 carbon chains, and decane, that is a 10 carbon chains. So if you want to illustrate this into a line or skeletal form, it should be look like this. So naka-line ra siya. Now daghang naka-wrong dire because ang methane gibutangan siya og line dire ninyo, which is wrong. Wrong siya because this will represent the number of the carbon bond. This will represent the carbon bond. So if you have methane, which only has 1 carbon atoms and connected to 4 hydrogen atoms, so there is no carbon bond. So wala siya line form dapat. So it should start at 2 carbon chains. So if you have 2 carbon chains, you have a line structure that will look like this, because this point here represents 1 carbon and this one another 1 carbon. So wala gipakita dire, as you notice, wala niya gipakita ang how many hydrogen atoms connected to the carbon. It's simply understandable. It simply means that there has 3 hydrogen atoms connected to this carbon because it's in the end chain of the carbons of this molecule. So you have 1, 2, 3 hydrogen atoms connected to this. It should be look like that, but no. You have line form, it should look like this. Now dili siya pwede inganaon nimo or pwede inganaon nimo, but ang sunod nga carbon chain nimo is dapat na siya degrees nga equivalent. So dili pod ka pasagad og drawing lang for example, if you have 3 carbon chains, which is dapat ingani ang form, dili siya pwede nga ingana siya nimo. Inganaon nimo siya, sorry. Nawala ko ang so dili siya pwede nga ingana nimo. Basta na siya certain degrees na siya nga gi-consider. So in short, for 180 degrees or I'm not really sure, basta na siya gi-consider nga degrees between the carbon bonds. So dili pwede nga symmetrical ang imuhang bonds. Asymmetrical siya in a way, pero dili siya dapat parallel di ay ang imuhang bonds. Okay, nakuha class? Now if you have, so this means nga ang propane has 1, 2, 3 carbon chains. So ato na siya, tingnan na ang iyang form. If you have butane, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 Pentane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Heptane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Octane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nonane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And decane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, sa yaptong na ay sobra ha. Kailangan wala ay sobra. Okay, so that is all for the alkanes. How you are going to name or to write the different forms of an alkanes. Okay?